All right, so our practice, we're going to write an expression based on our following statements. So the first one, 12 times the number g. So we have 12 times, that literally means times, the number g. So we're going to have 12 times, we don't know what g is, but we're going to have 12 times g, or you can just put 12g. That's fine, that also means 12 times g. Or you could put 12 times g, that's the same thing. Perfect. But a lot of times you'll see 12g. That means 12 times g. All right, p pennies added to 22 pennies. So we start with those 22 pennies and we actually add p of them, p amount of pennies. So we have 22 plus p. Also, it can be p plus 22 because of the fact that you will still get the same answer either way. Same thing with g times 12 or 12 times g, you will get the same answer. But if it's subtraction or division, that will not work. Only for addition and multiplication. All right, over here, 5 less than y. So listen to this. Yes, it looks like it might be 5 minus y, but it says 5 less than that y. So it looks like we're starting with y. So we start with y, and then we're taking 5 away from it. So we're going 5 less than that. So you're starting at that y, and then you're going 5 less than that. So it's going to be y minus 5. Y minus 5. Last but not least, the total of d and f, then divided by 8. So the total is going to mean we're going to add. So our total of d and f, so d plus f. Now, if we want to do that first, we have to put that in parentheses. Remember our order of operations. And then we're going to divide it by, so you can put that slash, divide that whole thing by 8. So our total of d and f, and then we divide it by 8. D plus f divided by 8. Perfect. That's going to be it for our practice. Great job.